cookie? Or 2 more cookies? 1 cookie? 2 cookies? How many cookies can Conrad have? 0, that's right. Conrad can have no cookies. That's right. You're such a smart boy. What about Daddy? Can Daddy have cookies? Yes, how many can Daddy have? 1? Yeah. Can Peekaboo have cookies? No, she can't. You are right. She cannot have cookies. What about Elsa? Should we give Elsa a cookie? No, we should not. What about Daddy? Should we give Daddy cookies? Yes. Okay, Daddy can have cookies. But how many cookies should we give Daddy? How many? 1? How about 2? No, he cannot have 2. You're right. He can only have 1. Yes. You're such a smart boy. Yes, you are. Can Mommy have a cookie? Yes, Mommy can have a cookie. Can she have 2 cookies? Yeah, Mommy can have whatever she wants, can't she? Yeah. You love Mommy. Yay! Yay! That's a good boy. Daddy will let you smell the cookie, won't he? Will Daddy let you smell it? Yeah.